Here we come to the elevators at the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering building, and guess who I have with me? Yeah, it's Jade. I did up, but we'll just go up this time. Let's get our cab view. This is a huge elevator. Very nice cab. Installed in 1996 or 1997. Let's go up to 7. 8 is locked. Or is it? 8 is unlocked. It's normally locked. That is weird. That is surprising. 8 is unlocked.
So you can't go to 8?
Normally you can. Today, I guess you can. We'll go up another floor. Door close button works. Does not work. It does close when you push the button. Capacity 4,500 pounds. I think 8 is a mechanical room, so we can't get out here. But yep, we cannot go out here. Do not go out there. Yeah, this is a mechanical room. Let's go down to 1. That's the basement. It should be unlocked. 4,500 pound capacity. EPCO SurvivorPlus, like a lot of other elevators on campus. ADA compliant phone, yep. Like most elevators here on campus. Here's an annoying fan. We'll take this for one more ride because it looks like the other one is broken. We'll watch the button go out this time. Very nice EPCO SurvivorPlus. And slow leveling. I got the door for you. Let's go back up to 8 and then we'll end down 2. We'll listen to the motor this time, silent take. We are stopping. You gotta step back. Someone's going on. Going up? Going up? Which floor?
7, please.
We're just taking a ride on the elevators. We'll just get off on 7. We'll just get off on 7.
Okay, if you want to.
Yeah, we'll just see if the other car is working. Do you know if the other car is broken?
I think it is. Yeah.
Oh, we'll just go up to 8 then.
Nice.
8 is supposed to be locked. That is very weird. And I'm just gonna get a view with my camera. I'm not gonna step out of the car. This area is technically not public. I'm not gonna go out here. But this is the mechanical room. That is weird. We'll stop, we'll just end on 2. Door close worked that time, but the door close does not work. Call cancel, fire service. Press and hold desired floor button while turning key slowly during off hours. Hold button until indicator lights. Oh yeah, until the button lights up, I believe is what they're saying. Very nice indicator, installed in 1996. Here we are on 2. And then we should be, and someone else is going to use it. Going up?
Yeah.
You have a good day. I'm going to stop the camera. And there it goes. And that's gonna be it.